Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Who doesn't go mad over crispy tortillas stuffed with molten cheese and juicy chicken goodness? Plus, it's super easy and customizable. And I'm definitely sure that you're gonna love this dish. In a small mixing bowl, take half a kg of boneless chicken cut into small bite-sized pieces. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of pepper powder, juice of a lemon, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix this until the spices are well coated to all the chicken pieces. For the filling, you can use any protein or veggies of your choice. It's completely down to you. You can see how the spices have completely coated to the chicken. Keep it aside for half an hour to marinate. After half an hour, take 2 tablespoons of butter, as the butter is melting away, add the marinated chicken to the pan. Saute this until the butter coats the chicken completely. The dish we are making right now is of Mexican origin, composed of a tortilla that is primarily filled with cheese, preferred protein or veggies, and spices, which is then cooked on a griddle or stove. You know, the word quesadilla literally means cheesy little thing, and its origins can be traced way back to the 16th century. After a minute, cover the pan with a lid and cook the chicken on a medium to high flame for 5 minutes. And for the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Keep stirring the chicken every now and then so that the chicken doesn't burn. Try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. Let's check how the chicken is cooked. Now you can see how the chicken is breaking. It's juicy and cooked to perfection. Transfer the cooked chicken to a bowl. Our chicken is nice and done. Now in the same pan, add a teaspoon of butter and add the julienned onion, julienned green, yellow, and red bell peppers or capsicums. Saute this for a minute or until the butter coats the veggies. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Toss the veggies in the butter. And remember, the veggies have to be crunchy, so do not overcook them, as overcooking will make them soft. I am taking a ready-made tortilla. First, arrange the tortilla with shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese combo on one half of the tortilla. Then add the cooked chicken pieces. If you want to make your own tortilla at home, click the I button and check out my TikTok wrap video. Next, arrange the veggies and finally sprinkle some more cheese on top. Fold the wrap from the other side and you'll get a half moon shaped quesadilla. Gently press the wrap and repeat the process for all the tortillas, and you'll get 4 quesadillas comfortably. Finally, take a teaspoon of butter on a tawa or a grilled pan. Spread the butter all over the tawa and place one wrap on the tawa and another if you wish to do 2 at a time. Gently press the wrap and toast on a low flame until the bottom is slightly golden and crispy. This will take you about a minute. Please follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Check if the bottom is golden and crispy. If so, immediately and carefully flip to the other side and toast until it reaches the same color. Do not worry about few spills from the tortilla. Look at the color, don't they look gorgeous? You know, it'll make a complete meal. Even those pickiest of kids will enjoy the meal. And you know, quesadillas are a tastier option when compared to regular sandwiches. Transfer the quesadilla onto a plate and cut the quesadilla gently into half or into 3 wedges. Make sure you do not break the quesadilla. It's very important. You can see how the filling is intact. See? Arrange the quesadillas onto a serving platter and serve it hot with salsa or sour cream. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notifications of my new videos. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.